In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text on Wix. Whether you're working on sprucing up your website design or simply trying to add a creative touch to your text elements, rotating text can be a great way to make your content stand out. Let's go through the steps to accomplish this easily within the Wix platform. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the central hub for designing and managing your website. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you do so with the appropriate credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific site where you want to make changes. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to identify the text that you wish to rotate. Scrolling through your site, click on the text box that needs the adjustment. It's important to note that selecting the correct text box ensures that you're modifying the right element and not a surrounding or underlying section. If you find that the text doesn't quite fit your design vision, don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts or styles at this stage, since it could boost the overall aesthetic once rotated. Once you've selected the text, a bounding box will typically appear around it with various controls. Among these controls, there's an arrow button, which is typically used for rotation. Click and hold this arrow. You'll notice that your cursor might change to a rotate icon depending on your settings or device. This visual cue is a sign that you can proceed to rotate the text. With the mouse button held down, you can drag left or right to adjust the angle of your text. You'll see the text start to pivot according to the direction you move the cursor. Be sure to do this slowly so you can pinpoint the exact angle you desire. Remember, you don't want to overturn and end up with a text that's difficult to read. Practice gentle movements as you hold and drag. If you drag too far, it may become difficult to control. Wix is designed with user-friendly controls, which means you can easily stop and adjust the angle multiple times until you get it just right. As a tip, keep an eye on your overall layout to ensure the rotated text complements your page's design rather than distracting from it. Once you find that perfect tilt or angle that aligns with your design vision, simply release the mouse button to set your text in place. You can reposition the text box if needed to fit better with other design elements on your page. Ensure that your text remains readable and doesn't overlap other content unintentionally. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to rotate text on your Wix website. With practice, it becomes a quick and powerful tool to customize visual alignment and give your site a unique look. Happy designing!